This quick guide will teach you how to delete your Klaviyo account. Whether you've decided to move on to another platform or simply want to close your account for other reasons, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, take a look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile name there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with several options related to your account settings and preferences. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your Klaviyo account, including billing and account closure. Now, once you're in the settings area, your next stop is the billing section. You'll find this by navigating to the top of the screen where there's a navigation bar. Look for the tab that says Billing and click on it. This section is crucial because it contains all the information related to your subscriptions and payments. It's important to review this area to ensure that there are no pending charges or billing cycles that you need to be aware of before you proceed with deleting your account. While you're in the billing section, take a moment to check your current billing status. If you have an active subscription, you may want to consider canceling it first to avoid any future charges. Remember, deleting your account doesn't automatically cancel your subscription, so this is a key step if you wish to prevent further billing. Once you've confirmed your billing details and ensured everything is in order, the next step is to reach out to Klaviyo's support team to request account deletion. As of now, Klaviyo requires you to contact their support team directly to process account deletions. You can typically find the contact information for support within the Help or Support section of their website. When you reach out, be sure to include any relevant information, such as your account ID or email address associated with the account, to expedite the process. It's also a good idea to back up any important data or information from your account before requesting deletion. Once your account is deleted, you may not be able to recover any emails, contact lists, or analytics data that have been stored within Klaviyo, so ensure you have everything you need saved securely elsewhere. After you've submitted your request, Klaviyo's support team will guide you through the final steps and confirm once your account has been successfully deleted. This may take a little time, so be patient during this period. They will usually send a confirmation email to let you know when the process is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to delete your Klaviyo account. Remember, while this process might seem a bit involved, it's designed to ensure that your data is handled securely and that any outstanding issues are resolved before your account is closed. If you ever choose to return to Klaviyo, you can always sign up for a new account in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.